million people in the world have HIV. Exage, di ba? Pero how much do you really know about it? Malabo? Never heard? Okay, eto na. Walang kukurap ha. Ano ba talaga ang HIV? H stands for human. Tao. Ikaw, ako, tayo. I stands for immunodeficiency. Immuno ang resistensya panlaban sa sakit. At ang deficiency ay pagkukulang. Therefore, kulang sa panlaban. And V stands for virus. So, HIV is a virus that causes you to have very low resistance to opportunistic infections. Watch and learn more. Normally, we all have more than 1,000 T cells in our immune system. They're like our body's bodyguards. So, pag may nakapasok na pesting germ sa iyong katawan, kunyari sipon, lalabanan ito kaagad ng army of bodyguards mo, aka T-cells, para di ka magkasakit. Astig, di ba? But, here's what happens when you have HIV. The virus attacks your T-cells and kills them one by one while multiplying itself. Depend. So, from an army of more than 1,000, paunti ng paunti ang mga resback mo. Habang paramihan ng parami ang kampo nilang mga traidor. Siyempre, pag konti ang resback, lumalamak ang kalaban. So, mas mahirap na para sa katawan mong labanan ang dating simpleng sipon at ubulang. Lalo na yung mas matindi pa, tulad ng pneumonia at TB. Hassle, di ba? At, heto pa, kapag napabayaang mangmasaker ang virus na ito, that's when you get the big AIDS, Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Yan ang malala. Ibang usapan na yan. Pero, Commander, bago ka atakihin sa puso, di mo kailangan magpatalo. HIV does not kill. Keep that bear in mind. May mga gamot na na-develop na para sugpuin ng kalaban. Itong mga gamot na ito ay tumutulong para kontrolin ng virus at maparami ulit ang mga bodyguard mo. Pero, in a moment, ladies and gentlemen, you might be asking, paano ba nakukuha yung virus na yan? Ayon sa mga eksperto, it's not an easy virus to catch. Unang-una, there are only 3 ways of getting or transmitting the virus called HIV. From mother to child during pregnancy. From exposure to infected blood, like when sharing needles. And from exposure to infected semen and vaginal fluids, like when having sex na walang kondom. Pangalawa, matatagpuan lang ito sa dugo and bodily fluids tulad ng semen. Kaya, pag nakalabas na ito sa katawan, ilang sandali lang, patay na ang HIV. Wala rin siya sa laway o pawis. So, hindi ka pwedeng mahawaan ng isang HIV-positive person by kissing, hugging, talking, and sneezing. Or by sharing food, utensils, clothes, and blankets. Or by touching the same coin, phone, doorknob, and toilet seat. Kalokohan lang lahat yan. So do not judge our HIV-positive brothers and sisters. They are not a book. But don't stop there, kabayan. It's important for you to find out if you're HIV-positive or negative. Whether you think you're sure or not, get tested. Because you never can tell. Punta na sa hospital or diagnostic clinic para magpa-blood test. Dali na! Time is of the elements. Know your status. Para kung positive ka, you can get the right medicines at mapoprotektahan ka. Sa usapang T-cells, the more, the merrier. Tandaan, positive or negative ka man, don't share needles. And always wear a condom. Be safe. Get tested.